A Tipranks article from Yahoo Finance says that Tesla could be headed for a U-turn and that a lot of bearish catalysts are piling up. And many investors are talking about if Tesla has grown to a size too big that doesn't really make sense anymore. And people who have had a lot of shares in Tesla the last few years have seen a crazy amount of return on investment, but is this really going to continue? And if you ask me, yes. And I'll get to that later in the video. Hey guys, welcome back to Risk Your Freedom. So as you've probably heard, this video is going to be about Tesla and about this article from Yahoo Finance from Tipranks about Tesla, that Tesla is going to head into a U-turn very soon, which I personally believe is total complete bullshit. I do not see any U-turn coming up for Tesla at all. Remember to comment down below your thoughts about Tesla's future. I read all the comments that I get. And if you do like this kind of content, remember to smash that like button and smash that subscribe button as well. It really helps me out and I really do appreciate it. Now without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. Tesla stock could be in for some pain. The article says that EV stocks has been hit by inflation-induced bond yield increases the recent months. But indeed, all the growth stocks has been hit by this. So it's not only Tesla, it's toward every single growth stock, which means that this pain is not only towards Tesla. And he also mentioned the chip shortage that we are facing right now with EV companies and also other companies as well. And you've probably heard about the chip shortage as well. And this is a tricky one because it can end up limiting a lot of production for Tesla and other EV companies. Remember, despite the chip shortage, Tesla still delivered 500,000 vehicles in 2020, which is absolutely amazing. And I did do some more research on the chip shortage. And according to several sources, the short answer of how long this will last is probably around 2 years. And 2 years is not that long. And some of these companies that are actually producing these chips are very optimistic as well. They're actually predicting that supply will catch up with demand the next few months, which is really great news. Some also say because of the high demand and the constrained supply, this chip shortage might last through 2022 and also 2023. So we're talking about a maximum of 3-year spectrum here, which is not that devastating. And this is something that I think a lot of companies won't have a problem dealing with since it's such short of a time, 3 years. Unless it takes a new turn for the worse, but that's probably not going to happen. Now back to the article, it says that Tesla is still losing a lot of money producing vehicles and that their profit is highly based on the emission credits and the Bitcoin profit that they had. And yes, that is true. They've gained a lot of money from that. But the fact that they're losing money making vehicles is actually the opposite of the truth. It's actually false. Tesla had a net income of $438 million in 2020, I do believe, and making $518 million from selling regulatory credits to other automakers. And without these regulatory sales, they would have a negative $80 million income. $80 million negative may seem like a lot, but remember that Tesla has done over $10 billion in revenue. And the $80 million negative is actually less than their 4% of gross profits. And aside from this, the Tesla Gigafactory in Europe will have a huge impact on their production all over Europe. And this factory will help Tesla massively after it's 100% operated and 100% open. And that I believe is later this year, and I can't wait, it's going to be amazing. Now the Tipranks article also explains the Tesla stock is trading more than 16 times the sales and 600 times the earnings, which is really unrealistic. Even though this may be really unrealistic right now, people really do fail to see the bigger picture for Tesla. Remember that Tesla is not an automotive company, it's a technology company. And they'll be able to do a lot more than what they're doing right now in the future. You know, these unrealistic numbers is just proof that a lot of investors have really solid faith in Tesla and Elon, and they're seeing the bigger picture and the future for Tesla. In my opinion, Tesla is winning, and people just have to realize it sooner or later. Now, speaking of other companies as well, other EV companies, of course, NIO, XPeng, Li, we all have them, the Chinese companies. And you have other normal automotive companies like Ford, Toyota, Audi, etc. You know, all these companies are pushing the EV buttons as hard as they can because they see that EVs are the future for cars. And because of this, many are really worried about how much competition it will be for Tesla in the future. See, Tesla was founded by Elon Musk in 2003, and they've only built electric vehicles, which means that they've tried, they've failed, they've tried again, they've made it. They have a lot more experience in the EV space than other automotive companies. This is what they do, and this is what they've done all the freaking time. And because of this, Tesla's had a huge jumpstart in this industry, and I believe that this will serve them well onwards. And just to add something extra, according to Elon himself, Tesla's never ever used a single penny on advertisement. Instead of using money to advertise, they're using this money to expand their knowledge in vehicles, in electric vehicles, and create better design in their vehicles and overall just better cars. A lot of customers will notice this, And a lot of them have already noticed this, which makes them the best EV company, hands down. Like, these are loyal customers through no advertising. Now, of course, I have to mention the Plaid Model S stream that happened a few days ago or a week ago.
About a week ago.
This Model S family car beat every single sports car on a quarter of a mile in time. I believe it was around roughly 9.2 seconds, which is absolutely crazy. And the best of all, it's a freaking family car. It's a freaking family car! And this is game changing for Tesla, and they're not even close to being done. And if you were so unfortunate to miss this event, I'll leave a link down below where you can watch it. Now, if you did watch this event, this craziness, leave a comment down below. I'd really like to know what you think about it. All in all, Tesla has so many plans to this year, to 2022. The Cybertruck and all that is going to disrupt the pickup industry as well. And all the goals that they're climbing for, they are going to reach. How far they've come right now without advertising at all shows that it's going to be really, really hard for other companies to steal their market share. I don't really think that will happen. I do think that Tesla is going to steal the other company's market share, and Tesla will be the biggest EV company by far. Comment down below and tell me what you think. Now that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this kind of content and if you found this video valuable, smash that like button and smash that subscribe button as well. I really, really do appreciate it. And just a solid tip at the end of this video that have helped me along investing: don't invest any more money than you can afford to lose, and only invest in companies that you really do understand. Now with that said, thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.